Hey YouTube, this is Sean with SFG Electronics. Just a quick overview and review here. I just picked this up. I actually got it for my birthday. It is kind of hard to see that sticker there, but that says Mutter. It is a Mutter 6-in-1 electronic soldering kit with stand and tip. First of all, the case feels it's still a case, but it feels kind of cheap. One good thing about it is this one actually does have a functioning hinge. A lot of these cases like this don't. They just have a thin piece of plastic for a hinge. After you open and close them a couple dozen times, they usually snap right off. Now inside the case here, it's nice foam padding. There is a piece of paper here. Basically, how to solder. Alright, now included in this kit, real nice, they included an extra latch. In case you break one off, you have an extra latch for it. We have a nice, pretty heavy duty tube with some solder in it. It is 6040 flux core. There is a solder sucker. I've never used one of these before, and I honestly would prefer to use a solder wick, but we'll have to try this out sometime. It's basically lock it in, push the button, and it's basically a vacuum pump. Next we have the soldering iron itself. It is just a pencil one. It has a dial here where you can set the temperature. The pointer is really kind of hard to see, but you can set the temperature. It has a kind of rubberized, foamy rubber kind of grip here. Now the nice thing, I picked this one out because of the way the tips actually change. It actually comes with a knife tip on it. But the sleeve slides off down here. I've seen a lot where they screw in up here, and I didn't care for that. But this, pull that sleeve off. Now there's your tip. And slide a different one on there. Slide it on. Slide the cylinder back on. Screw it tight. In this case, line it up where you want it. Tighten it down. If it does get stuck, it has some flats on there. That seems pretty nice. Overall, lightweight. It is Chinese. But overall, it's got a decent cord on it. I've seen very good reviews on this. I'll be doing a review after I use it a couple times. But yeah, there's the label again. It says Mutter. Let me get it to focus. Mutter soldering iron. It is 110 volt, 60 watt. Now what else do we have in the case here? This came with 5 other tips. They all fit right on there. There's, a couple really fine point ones. There's the little wider one, and then that one is the kind of slant cut, real wide one. And the last thing in the case is a stand. I will probably never use this because of something else that I just bought. But yeah, this is supposed to flip up, and I believe, I don't know if that's supposed to be for a sponge holder the way those tabs are, but your soldering iron sits in there. It keeps it off of the table or the workbench when you're using it. And yeah, the foam is not attached, it just pulls right out. There's nothing else in here, but this piece of paper, it's a good place to store it. and everything fits really nicely back into the case here. Protective tips so nobody gets stabbed. That and that, and everything's back in there. Close it up. Nice positive snap. It's a fairly nice case. There's the label on the side. I did order it from Amazon. And yeah, I'll be doing a review after I use it a couple times. So thanks for watching. Have a good day. I would like to take a moment to thank you for watching my video. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. And again, thank you for watching.